Hello and welcome to our channel, Healthy Vives. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and versatile fruits in the world, the apple. Have you ever heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, today, we'll explore the science and health benefits behind this timeless phrase. Number 1. Nutritional profile of apples. Let's begin with the basics. Apples are low in calories, with an average-sized apple containing around 95 calories. They're packed with essential nutrients like dietary fiber, about 4 grams in one medium apple, helping with digestion. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system. Potassium, vital for heart health and maintaining proper muscle function. Additionally, apples are rich in plant compounds like flavonoids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Number 2. Benefits for digestive health. Now, let's talk about digestion. Apples are an excellent source of soluble and insoluble fiber, which play different roles in keeping your digestive system healthy. Soluble fiber, like pectin, helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports gut bacteria. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, preventing constipation. Eating apples regularly can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall well-being. Number 3. Heart health benefits. Did you know that apples are fantastic for your heart? Research shows that the soluble fiber in apples can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Furthermore, flavonoids in apples may lower the risk of heart disease by reducing blood pressure, improving blood vessel function, preventing the buildup of plaque in arteries. So, adding apples to your diet could be a simple yet effective way to keep your heart healthy. Number 4. Weight management and satiety. If you're looking to manage your weight, apples are a great snack option. The high fiber content and water content in apples help you feel full longer. This means fewer cravings and a lower calorie intake throughout the day. Try snacking on an apple before meals. It may naturally help you eat smaller portions. Number 5. Boosting brain health. Here's an interesting fact. Apples may be good for your brain. A compound called quercetin, found in the skin of apples, has been linked to protecting brain cells from oxidative stress. Some studies even suggest that apples can support memory and lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 6. Blood sugar control and diabetes management. Apples have a low glycemic index, which means they release sugar slowly into your bloodstream. This makes them a suitable choice for people with diabetes or those looking to prevent blood sugar spikes. The fiber in apples also slows down digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a healthy, natural snack option. Number 7. Immune system boost. Apples contain vitamin C and other antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. Regularly eating apples may reduce the severity and duration of colds and other common illnesses. For an added boost, pair apples with other immune-boosting foods like oranges or nuts. Number 8. Skin and hair health. Want glowing skin and shiny hair? The antioxidants and vitamin C in apples can promote collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Apples also contain compounds that may protect against UV damage. For your hair, the vitamins and minerals in apples contribute to better scalp health and hair growth. Number 9. How to include apples in your diet. So, how can you incorporate apples into your diet? Here are some ideas. Enjoy them fresh as a snack. Add apple slices to oatmeal or yogurt. Blend them into a smoothie. Bake them with cinnamon for a healthy dessert. Use them in salads for a sweet and crunchy twist. From aiding digestion and supporting heart health to boosting your immune system and managing weight, apples truly are nature's powerhouse fruit. Whether you prefer them crisp and raw or baked into a delicious dish, there's no denying their health benefits. So, the next time you see apples at the store, don't hesitate to grab a few. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Healthy Vives, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and updates. See you next time, and remember to keep living a healthy, vibrant life.